Good afternoon, everyone. Well, exciting day today. I have just acquired another vintage Husky 90. That's Husqvarna's entry saw into the world of chainsaws back in '59. So I'm really excited to get that saw, and I'm going to be selling off a couple of slightly later saws, which, as I again trying to keep to my rules of thinning out the newer ones and just gradually repopulating with older saws. So I'm going to be putting up for sale one of my iconic Ranchers. Love these. So again, 1980s, probably a bit later now that I'm going to collect. Amazing saw still. So this is the Rancher 50, and only cut with this saw twice, I think, maybe three times, twice I think. So from 1983, and its bigger brother, the Rancher 61, I think was from 77. Still formidable saws. So they run a 0.325 pitch bar and chain setup. She's got one of the original vintage Husqvarna roller nose bars. So this is a nominal 16-inch and full chisel chain. Chain's coming towards the end of its life, and I think I have somewhere a new chain for her, but I'll update the listing on eBay if I find that. I'm in a bit of turmoil with the bars and chains, having moved from one other workshop. There's so many, it's ridiculous. Yeah, so 1983, I think they are on paper about a 2.1 to 2.2 kilowatt engine, so around the 3 horsepower mark, maybe just under, and chain brake, I guess semi-pro in its day. Sorry guys, phone call, back in a second. Hi guys, sorry, doing the video and then the phone rings in the middle. So, right, what was I saying? Blast. So 1983, running a vintage 16-inch Husqvarna bar and 325 pitch chain setup, and I guess semi-pro saw in their day. Iconic saw, the Rancher, just an amazing name. So she has really good compression, chain brake working, no damage anywhere around the chassis, in really lovely original condition. Like I say, it's just the chain is, it's probably 70% worn or maybe more, and I think I have a new one somewhere, but they're amazing performing machines, and hopefully suitable for one of you guys out there. They have a very unusual mechanism for the choke, which is, as you slide this little toggle switch up, it compresses the back of the air filter housing and then shuts off the trumpet entrance to the carburetor, and works really well as long as people are careful with how they put the lid and fit them back on. Okay, so let me show you how she runs, and haven't cut with her for, well, a long time. So this is one of, do I have 2 or 3 of these left? So I think I have 3 of these. This is the nicest one by a mile. She's in beautiful condition. Right guys, let's cut some wood. So I've got some really gnarly fir tree to cut up, but makes great kindling and burns really hot. So I love burning fir tree actually, particularly when it's going to be otherwise kind of scrapped or mulched down. Right. This size saw is just a wonderfully manageable saw. I think it comes in around the 6 kilo mark, about 13 pounds in weight. And with this type of bar, it's just a great garden tool, just for like a casual logger for home. It's just a great size saw. Bit of choke. Okay. Choke off. There you guys, so she cuts beautifully, even with the chain. You might be able to do with a slight, like little baby noodles though, pretty good. In fact, fantastic. So I chose a cut there which was, well, the most difficult type of cut as well, which is across the grain, real gnarly, about 14 inches across, and just doesn't bog down, just is a beautiful, beautiful saw to run. Okay, let's take a couple more cuts on other timber. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous running engine. Just leaning out slightly, let me see if there's enough, yeah. Guys, I gotta pause, put a tiny bit of fuel in. I'll set another piece of wood up. Back in a minute. Hi again, guys. Okay, so we're fully fueled and oiled, and I have got a little bit of hardwood set up, about, what is that, maybe about 8 inches across. Okay, let's take a few more cuts. You can honestly forget just how amazing some of these early saws are, and this is not obviously particularly early, but I guess 83, up to 38 years old now. Kill switch. guys, thanks for watching. So let's see if that's in shot. It's incredible just how much wood just in literally just in a minute or two you can start to cut up with some of these saws. There she is, that's my Rancher 50 going up on eBay as a collector's item, and hopefully suitable for you guys out there. It'd be nice if somebody actually starts to get some use out of her. She's just hung up on display in my collection, and just a beautiful running engine. Could set the tick over slightly faster, I guess. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.